On YouTube. Today I'm going to be making a update video for my 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 package. So my last video I had just got this truck and it was basically bone stock. So this is going to be an update video kind of showing everything that I've done since then. I think I posted that video about a month ago. So as you can see, it's got a leveling kit on it now. Went with a 3-inch Motofab Leveling Kit. It's just the front strut spacer, factory in the rear. Put these 35 1250/20 Firestone Destination MT2 tires on here. The leveling kit and the tires just got put on within the last week, so this is all really new. Also had the windows tinted with 5% on the front 2 windows and then 15 over everything else in the rear to match up with the front. So yeah, this is a current video of what it looks like as of now. I'm actually really happy with the way the leveling kit turned out. I was kind of nervous that it's going to scrub a lot worse than it does. It really only scrubs at full lock, but it doesn't hit any of the inner fender well liner or any of that stuff that I've noticed yet. Haven't driven it too much, but nothing that I can hear. So yeah, like I said, really happy with the way it turned out. Try to get a walk around video so you guys can see it. Also, since the last video, I blacked out the front and the rear bow tie emblems. Did that myself. Wasn't too bad. Just very tedious. But yeah, like I said, I think it looks really good. I really didn't want to go with the 33 just because I didn't think it would fill out the fender well as much as I wanted it to. So I'm really happy with the way these 35 looked. I'm gonna do my best to try to show you guys what it looks like when you turn it, but it's just me, so this might be a little difficult. So this is at full lock, turned all the way to the right, and as you can see, I mean, probably like 3/4 of an inch to an inch right there. Let's look at the side. Super close back here at full turn, but still not touching that I can tell. Wish I could record it while I had somebody else turn, but fortunately, it's only me here. Yeah, same on this side. I mean, super close, but not touching. When I pull into the driveway or hit a bump, if I was at full lock, definitely probably would scrub a little bit, but nothing that couldn't be fixed with a little trimming. But yeah, I mean, this is 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ with a 3-inch leveling kit and 35. So if you like this video and want to keep up with the channel, and I should be posting a few more videos in the future. I ordered HIDs and they've been delayed, so I'm still waiting on them. So once they come in, I don't know if I'll make a video of the install process, but I definitely plan to make a video showing what the light output looks like in these factory projectors, because I'm super curious to see how those turn out. So yeah, like I said, make sure to drop a like and follow the channel if you like this video.